Imagine being able to create art, designs, write codes, and launch businesses simply by conversing with AI. What if I tell you the next revolution in your career is not competing with AI, but it's collaboration with it? Hello everyone, I'm Mayank, and in this video, we're going to talk about generative AI and how mastering generative AI can transform your future into the way you want it. Just a few years back, AI was just a buzzword which was reserved for researchers, sci-fi movies, or just can be said as imagination. But today, in 2025, AI and AI tools are on the fingertips of everyone. AI tools like ChatGPT, Dell, Copilot, Claude are everywhere and accessible to everyone, empowering everyday professionals and leaders to create content, automate their tasks, and evolve faster than ever before. It's not just for marketers, but doctors, engineers, teachers, and even artists are integrating AI in their daily lives to automate their repetitive tasks and reach new heights of creativity. Let's break down why generative AI is so crucial in 2025. Generative AI refers to the AI technology which is capable of creating images, text, music, codes from the scratch by its own. These tools are powered by large language models and are already helping industries to create content, automate their tasks, and do research and analysis on their basis. The next most important thing in generative AI is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art and science of communicating properly with AI in order to get the best results and the best outcomes. As generative tools become the mainstream, the skill of prompt engineering can play the role of an architect, helping us to build the custom automations and help us to create the new innovations for our organization. According to the recent reports, 90% of the companies are planning to hire up their AI investments by 90%. And they are planning to hire the AI leaders who can integrate properly with AI. Studies show that less than 1% of the organizations are truly mature at using AI properly, which is a great opportunity for anyone who is willing to learn generative AI. You can master the skill of generative AI and any organization will happily pay you enough amount if you can use AI for their organization wisely. Now there is a set of skills which you need to learn in order to master the skill of generative AI, which the very first one is learn prompt engineering. As I always mentioned in my previous videos, prompt engineering can always come with handfulness. Doesn't matter what outcome do you want from AI. It's an image, music, video, anything. The better the prompt is, the more efficient the result will be. You will need to learn the science and the skill of prompt engineering in order to create the artwork of the sentence. You will need to practice a lot in prompt engineering to use different languages, scenario farming, and instructions to generate content. I would say it again, the efficient the prompt is, the better the result you will get. The second one is experiment with different LLMs. Just don't stick to one large language model. Try different platforms. One platform cannot be good at everything. For example, ChatGPT. It's very good for scripting and copywriting, whereas Claude and DeepSeek are excellent for coding. And then comes the Perplexity, which is absolutely great for research. Only one large language model cannot be used for everything. You need to switch between LLMs to get what you want. The third one is integrating AI into automations. You can use AI APIs to automate your tasks. But if you are not into coding, there are a ton of non-coding platforms such as N8N, Make.com, which can help you automate your tasks without a single line of code. The fourth one is develop AI ethics. AI is not just a human-like intelligent model. It's far more than that, and its efficiency is far beyond our imagination. You need to understand the transparency, fairness, and privacy in AI. The fifth one is stay curious. Join AI communities, take online courses, and keep creating. Keep upgrading yourself in this field. Because AI is developing so fast that the AI model which was brand new a week ago is outdated today. Human and AI collaboration. This is where the magic happens. When human skills, which are creativity, empathy, and judgment, combines with AI speed, scale, and precision. This hybrid approach transforms business strategies, marketing, healthcare, and many more. Whether it's automating content creation or predicting the market trends, generative AI can come with handfulness to get higher insights in less efforts. By learning generative AI tools and prompt engineering, you can transform your career and stand aside in the sustainable edge of competition. If you are investing in your AI skills, then you are ensuring your long-term success, because AI is not just a technology which is in trend today, but it's a revolutionary technology which is going to last forever. If you want to be future-proof, follow the roadmap we just discussed, do experiments, ask questions, but never stop. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next one.